Hey guys, Monclo here. I hope all of you are having a really great day and a really great new year. In today's video, I want to give you guys a view of what you can expect in this year and what kind of content you will get from me. So let's get started and let's get right into it. So first things first, guys. We obviously have been spoken in 2023 about the bit aches, and I've done a ton of content about the bit aches. I did some live streams. I assembled them during the live streams. I answered a ton of your questions about this. I also showed you how you can assemble this one. And yeah, overall, I did a good amount of educational videos, I think, about the bit aches and how everything works out. My plan to do is to make even more content about the bit aches. There's so much more I need to tell you, so much more I want to show and share with you guys. So you can definitely expect to see more content about the bit aches and how things are running in the background on the bit aches to get more of this from me this year. Another topic I want to talk about is that I want to start some sort of a series about a couple of things in the Bitcoin space. Obviously, I want to make some good educational footage and video about how to run your own node, and this is definitely on my bucket list to do for you guys. Also, I've been talking multiple times about solo mining or pool mining, so what you can also expect is to see a video or a couple of videos about how to set up your own solo mining pool, or however you want to call it. Definitely I will do this with all the open source software that we do have in our community. Obviously, you will get more information from me about the Open Source Miners United community overall, so expect to see more of this definitely this year. Another good topic that I also want to mention in here is that I've got a K0 Pro, so a Casper Miner, and sure, this is not a Bitcoin topic, and I'm sure some of you guys are not happy that I do talk about other topics than Bitcoin, but it is what it is. My view of this channel is that I want to create educational purpose videos. That's all I want to do. I am not interested in showing you the current charts or how prices are changing or stuff like this. I'm not interested in this kind of topics. So if you search for such content on my channel, you're definitely wrong and should watch out for other channels if you prefer to see such a content. You will never find something like this on my channel. The only thing that I am doing is I get interested in a couple of different topics or different cryptocurrencies, and then I try to dig deeper into them, what they're doing, what's going on with them, maybe how to mine them or how to stake them or whatever else is brewing on them. So yeah, you can definitely expect more content also in other directions, not only Bitcoin, not only Casper, but also other directions. I've also done a couple of videos about LoRa and LoRaWAN, especially combined with the Helium ecosystem. I do have some personal preferences when it comes to this kind of content about LoRaWAN, especially that I do have to do with it personally a little bit. You can also expect to see something about this, obviously. And yeah, I try to make educational videos on all kinds of forms for you guys so that you understand the stuff better. And I hope I'm doing good, and that's definitely on my bucket list for today's year, so that I can give you more content that you can enjoy, that you can learn from me, or overall from the stuff that I'm showing you here. I need to make an announcement in this video as well. I have something special brewing here. Some of you guys may know this. I'm from Germany, and I will do workshops this year in Germany, but probably not regular workshops. They are focused on the bit aches and the bit aches assembly and the understanding of mining in general. So what does this mean? I will do workshops all over in Germany, and starting this year I will start with the first one. This will be at the privacy event in the Bitcoin Hotel in Plochingen. This is a small city in the south of Germany, and I will be there, and I will teach the guys that are interested in it to solder their own bit aches together and take it home with them. And I will also talk a little bit about mining in general. So this is something that you can expect from me to see. I'm not sure how I can make videos about this. I probably will live stream from time to time if I do such workshops, but you can definitely expect some content about those workshops and what I'm doing there as well. One thing that I need to mention about there is that I'm not doing those workshops as, I don't know, like profit orientated. I'm definitely not. The only thing that I'm trying to do with those workshops is to give the guys or the people that are interested in it the educational platform to actually understand what's going on in this kind of topics, especially about the bit aches. I'm trying to educate the people a bit more about this with a mindset of open source mining in background, obviously. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And I obviously need to have some tickets for those workshops, but I will always try to focus to keep them as low as possible on the price point. And if I do have any profits, they will 100% go to the OSMU community. So you can definitely see some content about this kind of topic as well from me. And yeah, overall, I need to say I'm so stoked about this year. I really hope that you guys will enjoy what I'm doing this year. I have so many things that I want to share with you. And I just wanted to wish all of you a great new year. I thank everybody of you who is subscribing to this channel, because we broke the 2,000 subscribers mark, and I'm really happy about it. I can't thank you enough, guys. Yeah, that's it probably for this short video. I just wanted to make this sure. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what's going on, what's brewing this year. And thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.